Okay, this is Webisode 2. This is
my bag on, muddy.
okay. He's not camera shy anymore, apparently. And we've got the one and only paddle pop wine.
Oh,
He's got his own camera.
started off manually on bank.
Where the fuck do I put this bag?
Yeah, it's a bit wet, so Blake.
Putting it there.
Yeah, just put it next to Blake. Blake's gonna eat shit on this one.
Yo!
That was
hefty.
shit.
I was mad. He manual like it, not even a meter.
Jake.
Dude, these mittens. Mittens. So wet. Too
wet
moist.
for my liking.
Too moist.
It's moist.
These cunts noises.
You know those?
Tyrone has arrived. Yep. Tron. Oh.
What's this?
Tyron has arrived. Tyron got hit by a car yesterday, guys. Are you feeling sore? Yeah. Is there going to be riding from you today? Yeah.
Good. Blake's not camera shy anymore. Okay, it is raining, so we're gonna leave, and I'll probably see you at the school sport at Wall's End again.
Hurting.
Fucking TV.
Okay, we are at the Goose's house, getting some quick before school snacks.
Max, we're getting a jumper. Unless you're going to eat the jumper.
Oh, I thought you were getting 2-minute noodles.
No, I can't.
Any
What do
cookies?
you think this is? No, I don't eat my cookies.
Oh, just one.
Cookie. And make it cookies.
We're now leaving the paddle pop line's house. He's got himself some pet goldfish in there.
Ah! Wait! The little one.
No.
Look on the side. See the red?
Yeah.
He got stabbed by the other fish.
Jesus.
That one's vicious.
Ladfish.
Oh, God,
Do something.
I want to jump big box, but these grunts in the way.
Snake from the last one.
It's late for the first two. Let me see too. Wait, this is box.
Fiction it.
High enough to hop you then.
Karen is being caught riding a scooter.
Righto, boys.
What?
Oh, we were just about to do something.
We'll do it when we get back.
Right, guys, go over there.
Are you coming over to the plaza with us? Miss Bo!
Oh. Snake. Oh. Oh.
Got 1 foot on, which is good. Oh yeah, I've got time.
You recording me?
No.
Okay, we are at Holmesville after sport. It's a bit like the last episode, but oh well.
It was in.
Need the containment.
Tricks.
Shit. Everyone's on a roll today. Especially this one. He's on a bread roll. Oh no, you gotta need 2 paddle pops.
Oh, that's nearly 180. Bake it and almost went back in and fucking smashing us. Oh, my knee on the bike. What? Can I have a go on your bike? Get this in the webisode.
Oh, that's a nice seat. Oh, that would have counted.
Look at how fucking skinny this is. It's like almost the fucking size of my thumb. What is this? Hey. Okay. That's my signature. Nick, you see that? Are you serious? Ready?
I crash. I hurt my knee.
What?
I'm faking the whole thing.
Well, you're a legend.
Whoa. If I just film that, the bike bounced between his dick and that about 50 times. It's like dun dun dun.
It fucking hit like right
Yeah,
there.
you definitely need a paddle pop.
Oi, Jay, did you film it?
Nearly. 10 minutes later, paddle pop guy is still having a break.
10 minutes? It's been like a minute, cunt. You owe me a paddle pop.
Oh, are you sure?
And a cookie.
Whoa! He'll land it.
And he's
Out of it. If you are on a scooter, move to the bank, please.
if you want. No, I don't know.
The bank's that way.
Can I stay here?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, that would do. Oh, you got a fucking badass over here. Leaves the bank.
I'll jump over.